So, children, as I said, that Timothy had two more companions, Toto the monkey and a small mongrel puppy. Toto, children, he was bold enough and he used to play pranks with Timothy by pulling the young tiger's tail. And when Timothy lost his temper, Toto used to climb up the curtains. Okay. And the another one, small mongrel puppy, it was found on the road by grandfather. At first, children, Timothy was afraid of this small puppy. But later on, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. Timothy loved to stalk those who played with him. He would slowly sneak nearer and then dart for the person's feet. This would simply delight him. He would roll over, kick in joy, pretend to bite the ankles of that person. Then Timothy grew to a size of a full grown retriever. Retriever, children, it's a breed of dog. And whenever the narrator, here I refers to narrator, children, and whenever the narrator took him out for walk, people used to give them or people used to keep a safe distance because now Timothy has grown bigger in size. Even the narrator, he had difficulty in keeping up with him when Timothy pulled his chain. Timothy's favorite place in the house was the drawing room, where he would lie on the long sofa and if anyone tried to get him off, he would get angry and snarl at the intruder. Timothy had clean habits. He would scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. And during the night, he slept in the cook's quarters. That is, who's the family cook? Mahmood. Okay. And Timothy lived in Mahmood's quarters and was glad to be brought out of it each morning. So, children, I hope you are following me. We have completed with first part. Now, children, grandmother was actually scared that he would attack Mahmood someday, which thankfully never happened. Now there was a change of behavior in Timothy. Gradually, Timothy started to become less friendly and preferred to stay alone. He was about 6 months old at this time. Even during walks, he would sneak away from the author to stalk cats and pet dogs of other people. Children, stalk. This word is given at page 59, second paragraph. Stalk means when you walk slowly in a frightening or annoying way. Okay, so he used to stalk cats and pet dogs of other people. He started to attack the birds kept in the poultry house. Sometimes he used to stalk Mahmood around the house, which was in no way playful. So, grandfather decided to transfer Timothy to a new home. Grandfather reserved a first class compartment for himself and Timothy. No one would share a compartment with them.